Hello, this is SCR 402 Team 1 review number 5 or 4. I'll start off with our current sprint goals from last time we met. Create a test suite for the web server services. This means log in, log out, register, create unit tests for those. Implement the download functionality of the simulation CVS files. Create JSON serialization type adapters for both RISE and OpenPA model formats. And then both finish, get, and put endpoints for most commonly used OpenPA model elements. That is the gen, capacitor, transformer, bus, and line. Now I'll show you a little bit of the JSON serializer and deserializer classes. You can't really demo these per se, except what I'll show you next with the endpoint. But we do have, for the most common elements, the tests for those. Then next I'll show you the test suite for the web server. This includes tests such as login tests, logout tests, data model tests, and persistent tests, registers, email, get names. Then I'll show the formatting, the difference from last time with our API. So first off, what you need to do is you start a simulation using this endpoint. You get a ID sent back to you, and then from there you can get elements such as a bus. Using that same ID that was handed back to you. And then we have a JSON format. So we have this format, which is the RISE format. That is the current implementation. And we have this format as well, which is specified by our sponsor on what exactly he wanted. And then we have that for loads. Let's see, we have it for loads, lines, capacitors, buses, capacitors, generators, lines, loads, and transformers currently. That is pretty much the main set of elements from the model, the OpenPA simulation model that we need to work with. It's just the difference is we need both the RISE JSON serializer and the regular or straight from the OpenPA model serializer itself. Let's go back to the goals. The download functionality, we hit a snag. The persistence layer for running simulations is still not working properly. So we're going to need to push that to the next sprint and try to figure out how to fix that.